With our continued expansion into the Canadian market, we're starting to realize that the NEMA 630 is pretty popular. And then more specifically, trying to power NEMA 630 appliance from an L14-30 outlet like you see on a generator here. So with that, we normally have to hand build one of these, but now we have brand new molded adapters. So how exactly does this work? And what does it plug into? What does it power? Stick around to find out. Hi, I'm Chris and welcome back to AC Connectors. Today we're going to talk about our new molded adapter, L14-30-018. And this adapter goes from a NEMA L14-30 outlet, like on this generator here, that's rated for 30 amps and 250 volts, to a NEMA 630 connector right here, which is also rated for 30 amps and 250 volts. These are usually seen with commercial HVAC or larger, more portable heaters or air conditioners. So with this adapter, you can power your commercial HVAC from a generator like this. Just one thing to remember is that if you are going to power such a thing from like a generator, you want to make sure that your generator is rated for at least up to 7,500 watts, because that is what the NEMA 630 is rated to go up to. So most likely your commercial HVAC is going to need almost all of that. So this one right here is 3,800. That's not going to cut it. Aside from that, it's very flexible. Even in the coldest temperatures, it will stay this flexible. If you have any questions about this one or anything else, or if you can give us some tips about other equipment that uses a NEMA 630 plug, please leave us a comment down below. Otherwise, be sure to give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.